This is the start. Studio.
I wanna lay down by the fire with you. Our souls are glowing, every warm or two. Oh my God. Love surrounds me like a lullaby, singing softly, you are mine, oh mine. Moons never glow this color, hearts have never been this close. I've never been more certain I will love you till we're old. Maybe tonight holds a little hope for us, dear. Maybe we might wanna settle down, just be near, stay together. We follow the pull of fate into this moment. We follow the pull of fate into this moment. Moon has never grown this color. Hearts have never been this close. I've never been more certain I will love you till we're old. Maybe tonight. There can be one only you are. And baby, I can never make two. Nah, nah, nah. And I know you came here with your crew, but I promise you that it feels like it's just us two. Oh, I don't know what I'd like to do tonight, but I just wanna be the one to do you right, right. And we're standing here looking at each other, baby, eye to eye. And I'm hoping that you're thinking about leaving with me tonight. You said you came for love in the club, 'cause I wanna tell them they wrong. Come on, just baby, try
Bakit mo tuloy yung lalapitan? Sure ka bang ako to?
You gon' be my baby, love you crazy.
It's the first day school of my anak ko.
Are you open-minded?
Anak ko, show your feet. Wow! So pretty naman. Si Pastor, tsaka si Sister.
Huwag muna tayo umuwi.
Tumidila.
Dito muna.
Magastos ka naman.
Muna tayo umuwi.
Sakit.
Dito muna.
Stay here.
Muna tayo umuwi.
The other side.
Hawak kamay naglalakad sa may dalampasigan. Saksi ang alon at buwan. Pinipilit ang tibok ng puso tuwing ika'y tumatawa o tumitingin sa aking mata. Kinakabahan na baka maging kulay kahit madilaw. Habang tumidiin ang paa.
Kami na naman po ang nakapila, hindi si Alayan din. Pero bakit?
Pangarap na
Ang wallet natin.
kinakabahan na